Welcome to channel for the latest updates in technology and innovation. Today, we have exciting news about Samsung's next-generation foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to new leaks, this upcoming device could receive an ultra upgrade, making it one of the most advanced foldable phones yet. Samsung is reportedly working on major improvements, including upgrades to the camera, chipset, display, and more. Recent reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could feature a significantly enhanced camera system, bringing it closer to Samsung's premium Galaxy S Ultra lineup. If the rumors are accurate, this would mark a major leap forward for Samsung's foldable series. But that's not all. There are plenty of other exciting features and enhancements that could make this device a game-changer. Stay with us as we explore all the details in today's video. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its massive camera upgrade. According to leaks from Galaxy Club, the device could feature a 200MP main camera sensor, a significant jump from the 50MP sensor on the Z Fold 6. If this turns out to be true, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be the first foldable phone from Samsung to include such a high-resolution camera. Not only would this improve photo clarity and detail, but it would also bring the Z Fold series closer in performance to the flagship Galaxy S Ultra lineup. But the main sensor isn't the only improvement we might see. Reports suggest that the under-display camera will also receive enhancements, though details about resolution upgrades remain unclear. While the rear ultra-wide, 12MP, and telephoto, 10MP, cameras, along with the 10MP front camera, are expected to remain the same as the Z Fold 6, the improved main camera and under-display technology could set the Z Fold 7 apart from its predecessors. Aside from the impressive camera upgrades, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also expected to introduce enhancements in other key areas. One of the most talked about aspects is display technology. While exact details remain unclear, reports suggest that Samsung might introduce a more durable and brighter foldable display, improving both visual quality and longevity. This could address concerns about screen creases and durability, making the device more reliable for long-term use. Another area of focus is the chipset and performance. Although Samsung has not officially confirmed anything, tech analysts believe that the Z Fold 7 could be powered by the latest Snapdragon or Exynos flagship chipset, ensuring faster processing speeds, better power efficiency, and enhanced AI capabilities. This would not only improve the overall user experience but also make multitasking on the foldable screen smoother and more efficient. In addition to hardware improvements, Samsung's software optimizations will likely play a crucial role in maximizing the potential of the Z Fold 7. With One UI's continued refinement for foldable devices, users can expect seamless app transitions, enhanced multitasking, and possibly new AI-driven features tailored for productivity and entertainment. With all these rumored upgrades, it's clear that Samsung is aiming to redefine the foldable smartphone experience.